Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. After a busy week of volatile price action, the Australian dollar encountered a solid close and positioned itself for the grand challenge of 0.6535 at the start of this week. A decisive break would set the stage for a potential move and look towards a region of 67 cents. Given that the fact that the dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, crushed the level of 103.80 and now trades around 103.68. This in turn views the market potentially looking for a target of around 100, and right across the board should find many of the currencies rising on the back of a weaker US dollar. Looking to the coming week, the Australian dollar will likely see a little bit of volatility as the eyes look towards the RBA monetary policy meeting minutes, with much talk of another rate hike. However, before the minutes, all eyes will be on the RBA Governor Michelle Bullock's speech after recently flagging that more rate rises may be needed. Also this week, we've got the US FOMC minutes. So no doubt the market will be a little bit whippy, but I like the way the pattern is holding here, especially bullish from the RSI and the MACD, and therefore let's see if we can see that key break, which would be seen as significant for the next move up towards 65.75 and on towards 66.25 and then 67 cents. The euro also holding very well as the market surged on Friday as the dollar broke. As I mentioned, we've got the US FOMC minutes, but the market may be a little bit looking to the technicals as we've got a short week in the US when the US will be closed for Thanksgiving holiday. Looking to the technicals, we've got a bullish ADX, a little bit of divergence there with the RSI, but a strong MACD, and therefore I feel clearing 109.30.35 would ignite the move up towards 110, which I feel is favourable considering how the pattern is actually shaping up. Any pullback likely to be shallow around 108.45. The dollar yen weaker and getting closer to its objective, which is at 148.75 to 149.05. A break there, as you can see, would expose much uncertainty to the bullish case, as we've recently seen over the last few months. Maybe see a drop back towards 144.5, which I'm in favour of. And if so, would see a lot of stops in terms of a long case scenario being bailed out and turning into a short-term outlook. Sterling also picking up momentum, as we can see here, looking towards 124.60-80 area and maybe on towards 125.60-65 as a key level. Let's see if we can break there, because it would ignite the move on towards the region, as I feel of a target that comes in around 127.70. Any pullbacks likely to be shallow given the fact the candles are firming. Gold, well, a little bit mixed after the posted gravestone doji, which is from the bearish camp and may be seen as a potential downside move, but we need confirmation, and that will be from 1,968. A break there would give further exposure down towards 1,948 and reassess. Wrapping up with oil, the market bounced 4%, and from there looks towards that key level at 77.1030. A break here would give further scope up towards $79 a barrel. This roller coaster ride appears to be finding support around level of 72.15. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the great start to the new week.